Arrive in style with this 2009 GMC Sierra 1500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 4WD type, part-time, 5.3-liter V8 engine, air conditioning, automatic transmission, bed length, 78.7, clock, in radio display, daytime running lights and dusk sensing headlights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.